Welcome to this week's LinkedIn updates, where I'll share the latest updates and changes taking place on the LinkedIn platform. First up, CEOs are embracing the LinkedIn platform. LinkedIn have informed us that CEOs are not only scrolling content anymore, they're actually creating content on the platform, and it's having a huge impact on their reach. And the number one content type that is really benefiting CEOs on LinkedIn is video. You see, as I've said on numerous occasions before, video is the number one content type that enables you to create a personal touch with your audience. And CEOs are now seeing the benefits from creating content, but also using the video content type on LinkedIn. Up next is LinkedIn polls. I haven't seen LinkedIn polls on my feed that much recently, but a number of individuals do come to me and say, I'm struggling to get content ideas. I'm not getting a level of engagement on LinkedIn. And if you are in those kind of areas where you're struggling to get content ideas or lacking a level of engagement, consider LinkedIn polls. They're really good for generating engagement and a level of impressions across the LinkedIn platform. So if you are considering to create a LinkedIn poll, set it for 7 days and include 3 options in the question. In the third option, it should be an option that will create a level of engagement for that question. So, for example, include your thoughts in the comments or something so that the conversation continues into the comment section of that post. So definitely consider LinkedIn polls if you're struggling with content ideas or engagement, or if you're even looking just for feedback on how you're progressing from your business or your content itself. It's really worth considering LinkedIn polls. Up next is the service option on LinkedIn profiles. Over 10 million have now taken on the service option on LinkedIn profiles, and it is available to both premium and free accounts on LinkedIn. Obviously, if you have a premium account, you get a lot more features, such as you can add media to your service offering. You can look for recommendations. You can put your rating. There's a lot of additional features available for the service section if you're on a premium account. However, if you're on a free LinkedIn account, the only options that are available to you is really activating the service option and listing the level of services that you have available or are willing to offer to individuals. But if you haven't set it up yet, it's definitely worth checking out, because I can see LinkedIn will further enhance this section given the number of individuals that are embracing freelancing and are taking LinkedIn seriously. They're the key updates taking place on LinkedIn this week. If you like today's video, do give your thoughts in the comments below, and give me a follow if you're not already following me on LinkedIn. I'll share daily LinkedIn content.